How to return a Nike order. Hi everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're going to learn how we can return our Nike order. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to delete your Nike order, first of all, you may just download the Nike application onto your device from any of your available app store, or you may just go to nike.com. After going to nike.com, you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So what you're going to do is simply head over to the menu bar at the top right, and when you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to find order section. And if you have logged in into your account, you'll be able to find all of your orders, but you can simply click on it and go on with the process of cancellation. But before canceling, there are some rules and regulations that you need to follow in order to go on with the process of canceling your order. So let's start with it. So what does the Nike's returns policy say? It says that they design their shoes and gear to help you perform at a peak level. So if they are not working exactly right for you, or in any case of the flaw, they have got you covered, and you can return the item up to 30 days for receiving the full order. And any return request after the mentioned price will not be processed. The goods will be returned back and the shipping cost will be charged to the customer. For hygiene purposes, you can't return these items like underwear, swimwear, socks and similar items, but all the items must be returned in the original packaging and condition with all the tags attached. And you need to ensure you include any belts or designer packaging that may have been included. If any case where the products have not been returned in their original state, used, etc., then the customer will have to pay for the shipping address charges for the return. And the customer will not be allowed to choose their means of shipping the products. It will be returned through the shipping companies they work with only. And please also note that Nike.ae and Nike.sa reserves the right to refuse refunds or exchange on items that are considered to be unfit for the sale. So after you go on with the process of reading the policy, terms and conditions of that Nike, and if you fulfill their policies, what you can do is simply go to app or web and just click on the profile, go to the orders page, click on the orders tab and select the order for which you want to return, for which you want to place a return. After that, click on request, return or exchange. Choose the products that you want to choose to return and exchange, and select the reason for return. Add pickup address, click on continue. Return request will be created and you can view or cancel the request as needed. And you can also track the status of return once a request is created. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be able to return your Nike order for multiple reasons within 30 days. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.